So I think the outcome of the beat is really awesome. What's up guys, I'm FLP, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a really awesome beat with my new sample pack. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So first I'm going to start off with a really simple chord progression. I'm using this Whirly V2 from Arturia. So I'm going to set the tempo to 100 and create the chord progression in F minor. I'm going to add another one on top of this one. So I think this one. So I'm going to use a G sharp right here. And an A sharp. Really nice chord progression. And then I'm going to use the strumizer. So Alt S. Something like this. And I think I'm going to add a guitar. So I'm using the Ample Guitar TC. And I'm going to add a really simple melody, so I'm going to start with this G sharp. I just copied this one, I think. Just a really simple melody. Just a really simple melody. I'm just going to leave it this way. So I'm using this American Hit preset. And maybe make an adjustment to the first chord progression. And I think I'm going to add another guitar riff. Just copy something like this and just follow the chord progression. I think maybe just turn this one down, maybe. I think that's really awesome. Something like this, I think. So I'm going to skip through the arrangement because it was a pain in the ass creating this beat. So I'm going to play the main part of the beat. So still the same, but I've added this bass line from Serum. And then the flute. And I've added a lot of reverb on this one. And the guitar. Also with a lot of reverb. And I've added this retro color. So after that I've added some drums. Just a really basic pattern, but I've pitched up this rim to F5. Then I've added this wood percussion, this one. Add some rhythm and other wood percussion. Then this block. And another percussion. And then this ram shot. Really basic. So adding this on top of the other elements. Added a shaker loop. And a really awesome kick pattern. And basically that's the whole beat, but I've added some kalimbas right here. And I've used Analog Lab 5 for this one, the Kalimba 3 preset. And right here I've added the guitar riff. Kalimbas are coming in again. And I'm going to add some and add a roll. This one I think is really awesome. And another roll. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to download the free FLP, the link will be in the description. Also make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.